Number 1 is Viceregal Lodge. It is also known as the Rashtrapati Niwas and located on the Observatory Hills of Shimla. It was formerly the residence of the British Viceroy of India. It houses some of the most ancient articles and photographs going back to the times of the British rule in India. Now, it serves as a summer retreat for the Indian President. The lodge offers panoramic views of the entire Observatory Hill. The lodge remains open to the public from 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily, except Monday. The entry fee for Indian citizen is 100 rupees and for foreign tourists, the fee is 500 rupees. Number 2 is the Ridge. The Ridge Road is a large open space located in the center of Shimla. This is the hub of all cultural activities in Shimla. It is situated along the Mall Road, which is the famous shopping center of Shimla. You can drive your vehicle to this place and park at a lower level and take the lift or the stairs to get up here and enjoy the views. The place is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily and it's free to enter. Number 3 is Jakhu Hill. This is the highest peak of Shimla, standing tall at an altitude of 2,500 meters from the sea level. The hill is known for its panoramic brilliance and the famous Jakhu temple, dedicated to Lord Hanuman. According to popular belief, Lord Hanuman stopped at this very spot while on his search for the mythical Sanjeevani booty. There is a famous ropeway ride, which is about 8 km long and takes around 10 minutes. The temple is open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily and the ropeway starts from 9:30 a.m. till sunset. The ropeway ticket is around 250 rupees per person. Number 4 is Samar Hill. It is one of the main localities of Shimla, situated at an altitude of 2,123 meters above sea level, 5 km from Shimla railway station on the Kalka-Shimla railway line. It was developed during the British Raj in India, when it served as the summer capital due to its cooler climate. This hill is one of the most beautiful and mesmerizing hills out of the 7 hills that make up Shimla. It's a small suburbs filled with heritage-style homes. Must visit place when you are in Shimla. Number 5 is Green Valley. This is a picturesque valley in Shimla, known for its lush green landscapes, dense pine and deodar forests, and stunning panoramic views. It's a popular destination for nature lovers and photographers. The valley is located between Kufri and Shimla. The distance between Kufri and Green Valley is about 8 km along the National Highway 22 on the way to Shimla. Number 6 is Kufri, which is a hill station in the district of Shimla. It is located 20 km from the state capital Shimla on the National Highway number 22. Kufri's most well-known attraction is the Himalayan Nature Park, a high-altitude zoo with a diverse array of plant and animal life. Tourists go to Mahasu Peak to take in the breathtaking scenery of the snowy hill station. You can travel to Kufri by road transportation, like cab or HRTC buses. The months of November through March has the most snowfall and are the finest times to visit here. Number 7 is Chadwick Falls, which is one of the best waterfalls in Shimla region and also one of the top tourist places to visit. The fall is located in the dense Glane Forest, which is just 7 km away from the Summer Hill Chowk in Shimla. Tourists can rent taxis to reach the falls, or those exploring by self-driven vehicles can take the route to the fall via Cart Road and Chaura Maidan Road. There is no entry fee to visit this fall and open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on all days of the week. Number 8 is Scandal Point, which offers good views and street food. Scandal Point is where the Mall Road joins Ridge Road on the west side. The name arose from the commotion caused by the supposed elopement of a British lady with an Indian Maharaja. The story goes that the Maharaja of Patiala had eloped with the daughter of the British Viceroy. There is no entry fee to visit Scandal Point, and it is open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. on all days. Number 9 is Kali Bari Temple, which is a Hindu temple situated on Bantani Hill in Shimla. This is an ancient place of worship dedicated to goddess Kali. It was built in 1845 and is considered of immense religious importance for the devotees. The shrine houses a captivating idol of goddess Kali beautifully adorned with jewelry and colorful flowers. There is no entry fee to visit Kali Bari Temple, and it is open from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. Number 10 is Christ Church, which is the second oldest church in North India after St. John's Church in Meerut. The magnificent Christ Church is the most popular landmark of Shimla that stands as a testament to the region's colonial past. Built by the British in 1857, it is one of North India's oldest churches with Neo-Gothic style of architecture. It is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. There is no general entry fee. However, if you would like to visit the college or the Great Hall, then you will need to buy a ticket. Number 1 is paragliding. In Shimla, paragliding only takes place in Shivpuri and 22 km away from Shimla at Vaknaghat. The best time is the months of March to June due to clear sky and pleasant climate. The activity is closed from July to August because of monsoon and resume for the months of September to December. Some of the operators are Airborne Paragliding Shimla and Beer Billing. Number 2 is skiing. There are many places to go skiing near Shimla, including Kufri, Narkanda and Mashobra. Among them, Kufri is known for its ski slopes and snow-covered mountains. The best time to visit is from December to February. Amateur skiing starts at 300 rupees per person per hour. Number 3 is river rafting. Shimla's river rafting is undoubtedly one of the best and an enthralling experience. The river passes close to Taktapani, which is home to Himachal's sulfur springs. Some of the rafting points are Taktapani Rafting Point, Great Escape Routes, rafting camping, etc. This can cost between 700 to 1500 rupees per person. Number 4 is toy train ride in Shimla. The Shimla Kalka toy train stretch is a UNESCO World Heritage Property. The 96-kilometer long track goes through in excess of 100 passages, 800 extensions and viaducts. There are multiple trains like the rail motor car charges around 320 rupees one way for adults and 160 rupees for children. Beside that, there are Shivalik Deluxe Express and the Himalayan Queen. They both charge around 500 rupees one way for adults and 250 rupees for children. Tickets can be booked online IRCTC website or from booking offices. These are all the main places and activities you can explore while visiting Shimla. You can make your own itinerary depending on this information.